Who's that Letterlander? It's A.B. Story Time with Miss Anna. Golden Girl had a box. I will find things that begin with my G sound, she said. I will put them into my G sound box. Golden Girl opened the gate and went into the garden. Wow, this is so beautiful! Golden Girl found goats in the garden. Did she put the goats into the box? Goats? Yes, she did. Golden Girl found grass. Lots and lots of green grass. She put some green grass into the box with the goats. Oh no, and the goats ate it all up. Golden Girl found grapes. Lots and lots and lots of grapes. Yum! She put the grapes into the box. But, oh no! The goats ate it all up too! Uh-oh! What would Golden Girl do? Oh! Golden Girl found a gorilla! She put the gorilla into the box with the goats. Did the goats eat the gorilla? Oh, no! The goats grinned. The gorilla grinned too. Golden Girl found a guitar. She played the guitar and the gorilla danced. Then the goats danced with the gorilla. This is so much fun. And everyone giggled. The end. Bye.